Hello, my favorite kindergartners. Hello to Noah, to LMA, to Hunter, to Quinn, and to Elijah. I miss you guys and hope you're doing really good. We are on lesson 132 today, 132. And you're being videoed right now. Wait, I'm being videoed right now on my phone, not my computer. So you can see my computer. This is where I usually make the videos at. But I'm not right now because we're gonna do something a little bit differently today. So Zach is videoing. You wanna say hi, Zach?
Hello.
So he is taking all the video for me today. So on lesson 132, a couple of things are, first of all, you have a writing test. Remember that little yellow box? You know what it means. Make sure you stay on the lines. Make sure you leave good spacing between your words. And make sure that you do everything that you're supposed to do on it and stop on all the lines and do your very, very, very best. No hurrying. It's a test. So do your very, very, very best. And mom or dad will help you with your phonics. And we're not even going to do any new special sounds because I have something so cool to show you today. Today is when you need to go get your ruler. I put a ruler in everybody's bag, so you should have one. So hit the little pause button right there and go and get your ruler right now because we're gonna look at it together and we're gonna learn about it and something so cool. So pause and go get it. Okay, I hope you got your ruler. So this is called a ruler. And you already know that. And the reason why it's called a ruler is because you measure it. And this is the rule that you use to measure it. What we're going to learn about specifically today is called an inch. And have you ever heard of an inchworm? I know you have because we've talked about them. And some of you have even brought me an inchworm before that you found. And inchworms are about an inch. And then they squiggle up and they crawl all the way across, but they're usually about an inch, and that is about an inch. So you can take your finger and your thumb and try to measure about what an inch is. That's about right there. Let's see if we can find some things around my house that are 1 inch. Okay, so let's see, Zach. We're gonna go see if we can find some things that might be 1 inch. Let's go look over here. This is my pictures, and it's decorated for Easter, and these actually light up, but you can't tell it right now. But let's see if we can find anything that's an inch. Do you think these eggs are about an inch? Remember, they're about that big. So, nope. But let's take our ruler and check. So there's 2 sides on your ruler. There's the side that has the numbers farther apart, and then they're really close. We want the ones where the numbers are farther apart because these are called centimeters. They're smaller. So we need the bigger ones, the ones that are this side where it's an inch. So look right here and let's put this right up here and see if it's an inch. So when we measure something, we put the top of our ruler at the top of whatever we're measuring. And then we go to the bottom and see where it touches. Is that an inch? Nope, because the 1 is all the way up here. So the inch, it stops right about there. So, oh man, that was not an inch. Let's go look over here. So if we go over here, we're gonna look at all this is this yours?
Yeah.
So this is Lacey's lemonade that she was drinking. But it has a tab on it. Do you see that? So watch this. There's the tab, and then we're gonna put our ruler at the top of it. And then we're going to measure to the bottom. Look at that! It is 1 inch long. We did it. We measured something that was exactly 1 inch long. If we had 2 of them and we would put them side by side, they would probably be 2 inches long. So let's go over here and look. Maybe we can find something over here that is 1 inch long. Let's look over here. Kind of dark over here, isn't it? Yeah. So let's go over here where it's light. If you look over here, this is soap. But look, if I measure the top, oh, it's just a little bit bigger than 1 inch, but it's pretty close to being 1 inch long. That is pretty cool. So now you have a job. You take your ruler that I gave you and go around your house and see how many things you can find that are 1 inch. But your job is to bring it back to a piece of paper and draw it. Use your ruler to draw it 1 inch long. So if you find, let's see, you might find a bottle lid, a lid to a bottle, and measure it, and it might be close to 1 inch. You take it back to your piece of paper and trace it on there and show me that it was 1 inch. Or if you can't trace it, you can just draw whatever you find. But this is a ruler and this is 1 inch, and I cannot wait to see what else you guys find that is 1 inch. So keep practicing, keep doing your reading, do your letters and sounds, your special sounds. Do some flashcards today. Ask mom and dad to help you, or you can go back to one of our older videos where we did flashcards and see if you can beat me yet. But I know you're gonna do an awesome job, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.